So, making the way, we're gonna get some tadpoles. Just like 2 handfuls or 1 handful, whatever. Bring them home. We've built some nets, well 1 net. We know where to put them. We've sorted like a tank out. Only about halfway to go until we get into the actual forest thing where the tadpoles are. I'll show you what the animals are here. Yesterday I saw a grass snake's tail crawl into the grass. Have a look. So this is the grass snake. Grass snake, as you can see. Now there's like birds and dragonflies. Nice little, another little birds. Dragonflies. I think I've said that already. Nice little plants. Brilliant birds just going tweet tweet. Yesterday we saw a deer around here somewhere. When it opens up, when you're out in the forest, you sometimes see big buzzards. Look! The deer footprints, as you can see here, that's the deer granddad. This is the dandelion. When you blow it, these things on it, they come off. They land on the floor, and then they grow into these, the same things. Buttercups. Thing is, for buttercups, you can put them under your chin and they glow if you like butter. Just fell over.
Oh, you're copying me. I did that yesterday, didn't I, Les? Yeah, now you know what I felt like. I'll get you up, hang on. There you go, teacher, laugh at me. No, you didn't laugh at me, and I'm not laughing at you.
Some here, seed plants. You got guinea pigs. You could bring some of these home for the guinea pigs. Some bamboo, I think. There's a hole. Maybe something lives in there. I wonder if like little mice live in there, or like a rabbit. This is where I saw the grass snake lurking in this bit over here. If I just put my hand in, see if there's anything. Ow! Bit me. Got me.
No.
Ow. Just gotta leave it. Don't touch it. We need the tadpoles. Come on. Gonna leave them just there while he's a beauty.
Alright, you're going to put him in the bottle?
Put him in a bottle. Got the specimens. Now we need to keep on moving.
Okay.
We better get home quick before they die in my backpack.
Okay.
There's 2 different ways. My brain is telling me to go that way, or half my brain is going that way. But about a few days ago, when we were looking at the tadpoles over here somewhere, there is some water over there. What we saw was about 4 or 3 deers or 2, I don't know, hiding in there, and it just charged at us, and we were just so scared, and we just had to run. Oh, look at this little fella.
You better keep on moving though. There's a little fella on there.
And also, you don't want to twist your ankle on these stumps. That would hurt. So be careful. Very boggy, squidgy mud. I'll show you how to get across it. Good luck I have my doctor leaf in my hand. So,
You're what?
this is true, doctor leaf. So this is true.
You're what?
Doctor leaf.
Right.
This is true. So if you get stung, get a doctor leaf, yeah, and rub it on, and it actually really works. Oh, it's bitter. Come on.
Result.
It's all the stinking water. So you see, like ducks and birds and like go across there and like poo in it, and gnats. That's why the gnats are there, because it can smell like the wee and poo. That's why it's in there. So another fact is, when a tree's fell, clear it off, because there's little rings around it, yeah? If you count the rings, how much there is, that's how old the tree is. Little fact. See, old trees get blown over in here. There's more trees that blown over. Big ones as well. Help! This tree's blown on me! Look at the size of this root of the tree.
Wow.
It's nice and smooth. Always remember to clean to close the gates, because there's cows in there that can come through, and there's deers. If you leave this one open and it's just in half, the deers can get out to the wildlife out there. So always to remember to close the gate. You can feel a bit of wet coming out my bag. Hope it's not my tadpoles. So it's a nice little setup. Come back here tomorrow and light this baby up. If you don't go through these things, no entrance. You have to go through these.
Oh, sorry. Yep. In this bit. Yeah, you're right. Sorry.
The thing with stony paths, get stones in the shoe.
Yeah.
We're nearly home. Just got this hill to climb. Listen, that's the sound of a blackbird. Look at this big old baby. It's also really crumbly because it's really old. You don't know if it's going to fall over. It's like 6 feet or something, probably more than that.
Bit
Don't
more than
really know.
6 feet, that Lest.
60, I said.
Oh, right, 60. Yeah.
It's like 6 feet or something. Kind of. We've prepared a little tank for them. See them, but they're in here somewhere. Hope you haven't jumped around too much. There's one. Look, right there in the corner. Look, see it? Just there.
Alright,
Little one.
open. Alright, we'll just come back and we'll see if they're there and if they develop. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, mate.